acne treatment, a detailed guide. So just yesterday I had a girl came to me for acne consultation with her father, and father was of the view that डॉक्टर इसको जरूरत क्या है एक्ने का या मुहासों का, पिंपल्स का ट्रीटमेंट लेने की? आप देखिए ना, इसकी एज है, इस एज में सब बच्चों को होता है एक्ने, इसको हो रहा है तो कौन सी नई बात है। बट ये मानी नहीं, आपके पास आना था इसको तो ये आ गई, अब आप देखो क्या करना है। ऐसे और भी लोग हैं, लाइक इन मिडिल एज पीपल कम एंड से डॉक्टर दिस इज हैपनिंग टू मी, इट हैपेंड व्हेन आई वाज एन एडोलेसेंट आल्सो, बट देन वो तब भी अपने आप ठीक हो गया, अब भी ठीक हो जाएगा। बट द प्रॉब्लम रिमेन्स दैट व्हेन द एक्ने गेट्स ट्रीटेड और resolved by itself, it leaves a mark that can be a big scar or a smaller one, but you are left with multiple acne scars on your face. So why take treatment for acne? Because if you do not take treatment for acne, then ठीक तो हो जाएगा in due course of time, but number one, अगर पस्ट्यूल बन रहा है, पस वाला बन रहा है, तो काफी सारा बड़ा स्कार छोड़ेगा, मल्टीपल स्कार छोड़ेगा, जितने एक्ने उतना स्कार। और नंबर टू, अगर वो बढ़ गया then it may land up in abscess or cyst also. So as the saying goes that you nip it in the bud. जैसे ही एक्ने आना स्टार्ट हो, आप उसको कंट्रोल कर लीजिए, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाइए और अपनी स्किन केयर रूटीन समझिए, क्या क्या चीजें आपको ध्यान देनी है, what all changes in your lifestyle you have to make and what all treatments you have to take so that you can be without acne, without any problematic acne. एक दो पॉपअप छोटा मोटा हो गया एंड रिजॉल्व हो गया, दैट इज ओके, बट अगर ज्यादा हो रहा है जो आपकी नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ को परेशान कर रहा है, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, you have to go to school or you have to go to college and you feel awkward, then we need to take care of it. For this, you need to listen to this video till the end so that you get the take-home message also. You know how many types of treatments are there which you can take and आपका acne किस category में fall करता है, आप उसके लिए क्या क्या treatment ले सकते हो, all this together. So this is a comprehensive detailed guide for your acne treatment. I'm Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I've been giving services to Saraswat Hospital Agra for past more than a decade as an aesthetic physician. Subscribe to this channel for more such educational and informative videos. To tell you that Saraswat Hospital Agra has been providing free surgeries to cleft lip and palate children who are born with cleft lip and palate congenitally, and these surgeries we have done more than 10,000 till now. To know more about such surgeries, please click on the link above. Now, understanding the mild form of acne, which are whiteheads and blackheads. इसके लिए पेशेंट जब आते हैं तो बोलते हैं डॉक्टर स्किन पे बम्पीनेस आ गई है, छोटे छोटे बम्प्स हो गए हैं जगह जगह, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, और कई बार वो व्हाइट होते हैं, they do not show any other problem other than little bumpiness all over, like they may be only on the cheek or all over or on the forehead or over the nose and on the chin, the T-zone or the U-zone depending upon the oily areas of your face. और उनका टिप पे थोड़ा सा blackness हो सकता है जिसको blackheads के नाम से सब पहचानते हैं. So they may be having blackheads or whiteheads. These are mild form of acne. ये कब होते हैं? जब oiliness, oil sebum secretion बाहर आना चाहिए, but hair के follicle के along उसके path में कहीं थोड़ा सा obstruction आ गया, and instead of coming out and spilling on the skin surface, it formed a bump inside the skin surface. फिर अगर उसके टिप पे हल्का सा oxidation हो गया sebum का, तो वो blackness के साथ blackhead बन गया. Now, what can be the treatment for this? अगर हमारी skin इतना ज़्यादा oil secrete कर रही है कि उसकी वजह से ये बनता जा रहा है, तो obviously the first चीज we should do is we should control the oil secretion on the face, which is excessive oil. So what I like to call is step up approach. We do not start with the highest form of medication to control the acne, be it any acne. But in the step-up approach, we start with the minimum things required. So for this mild form of acne, you need some things to keep your skin healthy. First is a good oil control face wash. So a face wash which deep cleanses your skin so that it cleanses up the excess oil, but at the same time, it does not deprive your skin with all the oil which is quite necessary for you, for your skin, for the barrier function. So the face wash which depletes only the excessive oil, not the essential oil. Number 2, you need a good astringent. The astringent is toner for oily skin. Now, what should be the qualities of this astringent? Astringent should have a glycerine base and which soothes your skin, and a aqua base and rose water base. So along with that, it should contain little salicylic acid, which is therapeutic to this type of acne. Along with that, if it contains other natural ingredients also, like essential oils, green tea extract, alum extract, aloe vera, then sone pe suhaga. So all this concoction together, you can use as astringent spray after you wash your face. This will also bring your pH of the skin towards the normal side, which is 5.5. Now, after you have used astringent, you are ready to face the world during the day. Now, when you come back home at night, in the evening, what you need to do again is, after washing your face, you need to apply the anti-acne face mask. Now, what should this face mask have? This face mask requires some ingredients which actually act like a magnet, and they take out the problematic things from inside the pores of your skin, inside those pores which are clogged, which are forming whiteheads and blackheads. Now, this face mask can have rice bran extract, witch hazel, sage flower, kiwi water. Then it can have little AHAs like glycolic acid and BHA like salicylic and mandelic acid. Along with that, it can have a little base, non-comedogenic aqua base, and a little amount of retinol or retinyl palmitate will definitely do wonders if it is there in your face mask. Now, after applying this face mask for say 15 to 20 minutes, you can just wash it off and you can go to bed. For my form of acne, this can do real good to your skin, and even after this, if the bumpiness is there, then your doctor can plan a comedone extraction for you so that you get relieved of them. But the combination of astringent and face mask will help you in not having those comedones again, so your skin will be healthier. You can hit the like button now and we go to the treatment of moderate form of acne. Moderate acne हम तब बोलते हैं जब pustules हो गए हो. So pus दिख रहा है and they are painful also and they are red and you feel bad about it. So these pustules, when they are there, usually your doctor will prescribe some oral medication for you. A very good antibiotic orally given for these form of acne is doxycycline. Doxycycline should be given for a longer period of time, weeks together, sometimes months together, but not more than 2 to 3 months. Then do not forget to take daily skincare routine for your skin. Along with that, you may be given a combination of clindamycin and adapalene or benzoyl peroxide to put on your acne. There are multiple ointments available in the market which you may be given for acne spot over the acne treatment. If you have any questions till now, you can call us on the numbers below and you can have a consultation with us, or you can write the questions in the comment section below so that we can answer you. So now let's talk about severe form of acne, which can be nodulocystic acne. So there can be small or large cysts inside the skin with severe pain and severe discomfort. When somebody comes with this form of acne, the doctor can prescribe tablet isotretinoin or Accutane to you. So this is given in set doses, but it is a very strong tablet in the sense it should be given after assessing liver function test of the patient. It can have different side effects, especially dry eyes, dry lips, dry nose, dryness around the mouth, and there can be other side effects on multiple systems in the body. But then since it is being prescribed by your doctor and you are in constant routine checkup along with the consultant, it is safe to use in observation, under observation. After its course is done for about 4 to 5 months, then for a longer period of time, then you will not have acne as it is written in the books. So this is one tablet which is given for betterment of acne when nothing is being helpful to you. Along with that, for the treatment of cysts, they may inject corticosteroid triamcinolone in the cyst. It is usually in 2.5 milligram per ml and usually very small, like 0.05 ml is used at one place. It should be used with caution. Usually the doctor himself or herself injects in the cyst, because if it goes in normal skin, it may cause skin thinness. Having said that, the treatment of severe acne is definitely very important to be given with the doctor prescription only, but it is treatable and you should consult a doctor for this kind of acne also. If you want to know more about acne, understanding the type of acne, causes and prevention, please click the link on the left. And to know more about cleft lip and palate surgeries, please click the link on the right.